So now you've got your blog looking just like this by the default. You've changed the site titling, you've changed the taglines. We want to go in and we want to change a couple other things. So I know I showed you before you can edit the profile, but another way to get to your dashboard is just clicking on the actual dashboard button here. We're going to change some of these widgets and some other things here. Okay, here we are in the dashboard, and this time we're going to go in and we're going to go into the appearance and we're going to go into the themes. And automatically, we don't have to do too much work, we just have to choose which theme we want. And Edublogs has given us a whole bunch to choose from. Now there's lots of themes, and I'm just going to choose one that I see seems to have different menu items at the top. And you might notice that some of the menu items might go down to the bottom of your page, but they're still there. And all blog themes don't necessarily have the same type of widgets, so you need to test and play around. So I'm just going to try this one, and it's just going to show me a sample of what my blog could look like. And it's this beautiful salmon color, and it's still showing me some things. And I've got my sample pages, which might have drop downs when I try nested pages later on. If I like that, I can go activate up here, or if I don't, I can press this little X. But I'm actually going to activate it. I'm going to say OK. Now that my blog seems to be activated, I can see that the current theme right here has changed. And if I actually want to test that, I'm going to go up and see that it has actually changed. So I see, and for some reason it's white around here, and it says testing. We've got the sample pages, and it's showing me my widgets over here, the categories and archives and recent posts and stuff. So I'm going to go back in because next I actually want to play around with the widgets. I'm going to go back into the dashboard. And I'm going to go below themes under appearance, and I'm going to go to widgets. I'm going to see which widgets I have and which widgets I don't that are standard by default. And I see over here on the sidebar that it's showing me my text, it's showing me categories and archives, and let's see if there's a sidebar too. It's showing me that I've got a search, recent posts, links, and a pro badge. Okay, so one of the first things that I might do is I want to change welcome to your new blog, the text. This is a sidebar that can be changed by going into the appearance and getting your widget. I'm just going to, in this case, actually get rid of it. And to get rid of it, I just drag this away and can put it down in here in my inactive widgets. And I'm going to get rid of the links. And I'm going to try and get rid of the pro badge. And after I've done that, so I'm leaving the archives, I'm leaving the categories, I've got the search in there and the recent posts. Now that I see that, I'm just going to go test and see what it looks like. I go in here and I see the archives, and this is still here, and the search is still there, and the recent posts. So it's got a hello world. So it's actually written my first blog post for me, and it's put in a sample page. And I'm going to show you how to change that all in a bit too.